Having a goal is like setting sail on a ship. It gives you direction, purpose, and a destination. Goals provide clarity amidst chaos, guiding your actions and decisions towards a specific outcome. But merely having a goal isn't enough. It's the pursuit of that goal with unwavering determination and perseverance that leads to success. Challenges and obstacles will block your path, and setbacks will test your resolve. Yet, it's during these moments of adversity that your commitment to your goal is truly tested. It's easy to dream big and set ambitious goals, but the real magic happens when you summon the courage to pursue those goals relentlessly, despite the odds stacked against you. It's about waking up every day with a burning desire to inch closer to your dreams, no matter how daunting the journey may seem. Remember, the road to success is rarely a smooth one. It's filled with hardships, failures, and moments of doubt. But those who refuse to surrender to adversity and persevere in the face of uncertainty ultimately emerge victorious. Never underestimate the power of having a goal and pursuing it with all your might. Your goal is not just a destination. It's a testament to your resilience, your dedication, and your unwavering belief in yourself. And when you finally reach that goal, the sense of fulfillment and accomplishment will be unparalleled. It's not about the destination, but the journey of growth and becoming the best version of yourself. Dream big, set audacious goals, and pursue them with relentless determination. Because in the pursuit of your goals lies the key to unlocking your true potential and creating the life you've always envisioned. If you watch this video to this point, do well to like, comment, share, and follow for more.